How to enable Instagram story comments in just a few easy steps. Make sure your Instagram is up to date. Head to the App Store, iPhone or Google Play Store, Android, search for Instagram and update it if needed. Once it's updated, open Instagram and log in. Tap your profile picture at the bottom right corner of the screen. On your profile page, tap the three lines in the top right corner. This opens a menu. From there, tap on Settings. In the settings, look for and tap on Comments. This is where you control who can comment on your posts and stories. In the Story Comments section, you can choose who's allowed to comment on your stories, everyone, or just the people you follow back. Pick the option you prefer. Once you've made your choice, just exit the settings. Instagram will save everything for you. Now, when you post a story, people will be able to leave comments based on the option you selected. And if you ever want to turn off comments, just go back and select off. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe.